Here's another high-paying work-from-home jobs that you can try this 2025 na pwede sa beginners. So this one is called Sales and Marketing Automation Specialist. So ano ba ito? Even before AI, may mga bagay na ino-automate tayo sa mga businesses using these automation tools. In my case, what I use for automation is a platform called HubSpot. There's a lot of different options like Go High Level, there's Pipedrive, and you can even do custom automation. But the point here is yung mga manual tasks na ginagawa ng mga businesses sa sales and marketing and customer service, na-automate natin siya using software. Kahit automated siya, there's still a need for someone, actual person, who need to understand the business process, who need to understand the company, who need to understand the industry, who need to understand the customers. And a lot of these things, ito na gagawa ng AI. If you develop this skill, a sort of knowledge and ability to understand the logic to put it in an automation tool, then that's a skill that a lot of companies now value. And they pay a lot for that. How do I know that? Because I am doing that right now. So, magkano yung bayad sa ganitong skills? Well, in my case, I can already command 6 digits. Obviously, you have to learn it first and be familiar with it. You can start around 40 to 50K. Not bad, diba? This one though takes a bit of learning curve. The easiest way to learn this is actually going on a one-on-one session, which in my case, I actually teach that, but costs money. But if you're not ready for that, what I suggest is this. Create a group on Facebook. It's called Work From Home Movement PH. So search mo lang siya and just join there. If you're not a Facebook person, you can go on LinkedIn. You can find me there, Lester Caraan. The other option is you can comment here. Just comment the word transition and my team will find you and we can talk about it. We even have like a Telegram group. Regardless of what the platform is or what the channel is, what matters is to get started. You want to make sure that you take the first step so you can get this going, no? Sales and marketing automation is just starting. It's gonna get bigger and bigger as time goes on. People will realize how valuable and important this skill is. Get in touch, don't forget to follow, and I hope this helps, and see you on the next one.